Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have answered the first chapter of Biology, Life Processes, Unit Test Paper 2. In today's video, we'll answer the Unit Test Paper 3. Let's move with the questions. First question, the plants can get rid of excess water by this process. Options are A. Photosynthesis, B. Transpiration, C. Respiration, D. Translocation. Answer is option B. Transpiration. Option B, transpiration is the answer, where the plants can get excess of water from the aerial parts of the plant body. Next, question number 2. The process that helps in the absorption of upward movements of water and minerals dissolved in it from roots to the leaves in plants. So, option A, photosynthesis, B, translocation, C, respiration, D, transpiration. Answer is option D, transpiration. So the plants can help to absorption of upward movement of water, minerals dissolved in it from the roots to the leaves and different parts. It is by transpiration. So answer is option D, transpiration. We'll move to the next question. Question number 3. What is translocation? So what is translocation? We'll see the answer. The process of transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called translocation. So products of photosynthesis means the food. So food is prepared by this process called photosynthesis, and these products can be transported. So the transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called translocation. We'll see the fourth question now. Question number 4. Define nephron. So define nephron. We'll see answer. The structural and functional unit of kidney is called nephron. The structural and functional unit of kidney is called nephron. So next, question number 5. What are glomerulus? What are glomerulus? So we'll answer this question. The network of blood capillaries found in nephron are called glomerulus. So in the nephron, there are the network of blood capillaries, and this network of blood capillaries found in nephron, we call it as glomerulus. Next, we'll see the next question. Question number 6. Explain the process of transportation of substances in phloem. You have to explain the process of transportation of substance in phloem. Means how the food produced will be transported. We'll see the answer. It takes place in the steps. The first step, the food is prepared in the leaves, and that will be in the form of sucrose. By using some ATP of energy, the food moves into the companion cells. So the food prepared, which is in the form of sucrose, moves to the companion cells. The second step, from companion cells, the food flows into the sieve tubes. At the same time, water flows from the xylem. Next, in the third step, due to the more concentration, the food, it flows towards the lower region, that is till it reaches the root. So here we have taken an example of movement of food from leaves to root or root hairs. Here it is in downward direction. Even the same thing, we can take it in upward direction also. Even the food moves in upward direction also. So as we have taken an example where the food is flowing from leaves towards the roots. So we'll move on to the next question. Question number 7. Write the differences between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So we'll see the answer. What are the differences between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration? So aerobic respiration takes place in presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. Next difference, it takes place in cytoplasm and mitochondria. Aerobic respiration takes place in cytoplasm and mitochondria. Anaerobic respiration takes place only in cytoplasm. Next, third difference, in aerobic respiration, more energy will be released. Aerobic respiration, more energy is released. Anaerobic respiration, less energy is released. The next, aerobic respiration end products will be carbon dioxide and water. Anaerobic respiration end products will be carbon dioxide and ethanol. So these are the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So we'll move to next question, question number 8. Write the functions of salivary amylase. So we'll see what are the functions of salivary amylase. The functions of salivary amylase is, the first one, it kills the harmful microorganisms. Next, it converts starch into glucose. Third one, it will moist the food. So the functions of salivary amylase, one is it kills harmful microorganism. 2, convert starch into glucose. 3, will moist the food. So we'll move to the next question, question number 9. Explain the function of small intestine in digestion of food. So how do the small intestine functions in digestion of food? We'll see. As in the food moves from stomach towards the small intestine. So food from stomach reaches the duodenum. Duodenum, it is a first part of small intestine. So the food from stomach to duodenum, it reaches first. Means it moves from stomach towards the duodenum. It is a first part of small intestine. This duodenum is connected to the gallbladder, where it receives the bile juice and help in digestion. So as the food moves from stomach towards the first part of small intestine, duodenum, where it is connected with the gallbladder, now it receives the bile juice and helps in digestion of fats. It receives 3 types of enzymes here. So which are the 3 types of enzymes means? That is pancreatic juice, which is going to secrete by the pancreas. So in this first part of intestine, small intestine, duodenum, for digestion, 3 enzymes will be received from the pancreas. So that is a pancreatic juice. So pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. This pancreatic juice containing the 3 types of enzymes. We'll see what is the enzymes and their functions. So the first enzyme, trypsin. Trypsin function is it acts in alkaline medium. It acts in alkaline medium and it digests proteins. Second one, pancreatic amylase. It helps in digestion of carbohydrates. Pancreatic lipase, it helps in digestion of fats. So these many steps takes place in first part of small intestine, that is duodenum. Now the second part of small intestine, that is jejunum. Jejunum, it has finger-like projections. You know already what is finger-like projection in the small intestine called? They are villi. So jejunum is the second part of small intestine. Jejunum is the second part of small intestine which has finger-like projections called villi. And these villi, the function of villi is, it helps to move the digested food into the blood. It increases the area of absorption. So this is in the second part of small intestine. Next, the third part of small intestine called as ileum. It carries undigested food to the large intestine. So this is how the function of small intestine in the digestion of food takes place. So the function of small intestine in digestion of food takes place in 3 steps. That is in 3 parts of small intestine. The first part is duodenum, second part is jejunum, and third part is ileum. We'll move to the next question. Question number 10. Which are the factors essential for photosynthesis? It is a split questions here. Which are the factors essential for photosynthesis? This is one question. Mention the events occur during this process. The one more question. Represent this process by balanced chemical equation. So this question has 3 split questions. So we'll see one by one. Which are the factors essential for photosynthesis? So we know that photosynthesis requires sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water and minerals. So these are the factors essential for photosynthesis. Next, the second question is mention the event that occur during photosynthesis. So during photosynthesis, what all the events is going to be takes place? We'll see. First one, absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Second one, that absorbed sunlight will be converted into chemical energy, means conversion of light energy into chemical energy. So this is the second stage. And splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. Third step, reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So these are the 3 events which occurs during photosynthesis. One is absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Second one, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. Next, third event, reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. So these are the 3 events occurs during photosynthesis. Next, the one more sub question it is, represent this process by balanced chemical equation. You have to write the balanced chemical equation of photosynthesis. So we know that carbon dioxide and water is essential for photosynthesis process. 6CO2 plus 12H2O. What it happens? It gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. So this is a balanced chemical equation. So you can write here carbon dioxide, water, glucose, then oxygen and water. So above the arrow mark you can represent it as photosynthesis. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Here carbon is 6C, here C6. So carbon is balanced. Then O2, 6 2s are 12. 12 oxygen plus here 12 oxygen. 24 oxygen is there. Again here 6 oxygen. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. So 24 oxygen is balanced. So hydrogen, 12 2s are 24. Here 12 hydrogen plus 6 2s are 12. So 12 plus 12, 24 hydrogen. So carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. All the 3 is balanced in this equation. So this is a balanced equation to represent the photosynthesis process. So we'll see the next question. It is of diagram, human heart. So draw a neat labeled diagram of human heart. So you have to draw the label diagram of human heart. So by this we have successfully answered the unit test paper 3. So in the next video we'll see the unit test paper 4. So till then, thank you. Bye bye. So those who have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Those who have subscribed, so share the video, like the video and support the video. So thank you.